that is full of what you like doing, then a long life is spent in a miserable way.
Hey, come on, yeah. I don't want the fame, cause I don't want a two-step with me, come on. Two-step with me, come on. You would tell me, actually 1, 2, 3, talk to me. Man, I come to this game, man, to change your brain. Man, I come to...
It's been a minute since I've done that. But, hey every guys, okay. Hey everyone, what do I say? Hey guys, welcome. What do I say? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Woo! I know it's been a minute, y'all, since I've been in front of the camera. So for today's video, we are going to be doing a flexi rod style on my naturally curly hair. Okay, because y'all already know why I'm filming. Your girl is going out tonight. That's it. Y'all know when I get in front of this camera, something's happening tonight. So I've never done a sexy rod. I've never done a flexi rod set before. So this is going to be my first time doing it. So if you want to see how I achieve the look, then just keep on watching the video. I'm back. Alright, so we're going to finish the hair. I'm more than halfway done. I have this little section left, and it will probably be like 5 or 6 flexi rods. Now, so I got these flexi rods off of Amazon. I think they were like $8.99, and it's a pack of 30, and I believe I used almost all 30. So I'm just gonna spray the water. And the products that I'm going in with the Design Essentials Almond Avocado Enhancing Curl Mousse. And I'm going in with the Obliphica Seaberry Curl Control. Looks like this. And then I'm going in with the All About Curls High Definition Gel. This is the Soft Curl Ultra Hold Crunchless. I'm just going to get a little bit of each product, like so, about this much. And I haven't done the gel yet, so. Now we're going to take the gel. About this much. I don't know if you can see it. It's not that much though. Gonna work that in. And I'm gonna brush it through just to get all the knots out. So I'm gonna put the flexi rod down like so, and I'm gonna start twisting. But I'm more so doing like a flat twist curl so that it lays like flat instead of it being more rounded. I don't know if you can tell the technique that I'm doing. And here at the top, you're going to want to twist in the opposite direction in order to hold the flexi rod in. And then once you got it towards the end, just kind of seal the ends so that they don't unravel. And then, like that. Alright, so this is what it looks like when it's done. I am going to go sit under a blow dryer or like a hair dryer to kind of let this like speed up the process. It's currently 1:10. So we're going to let this dry, I'll say for at least like 4 hours. So I'm back and it is currently 6:15 when I was taking down these FLEXI rods. But when you take down these FLEXI rods, just make sure you're gentle. I know it looks like I'm real rough, but I was not. And just take them down. There's really no rhyme or reason. You can kind of twist them in the direction, as you can see, of where the curl was to give you more of like a springier curl. Or you can do them how I did them in the beginning, which was just like unravel them down. But I'm just going to take all the FLEXI rods out, and then we are going to style in this next clip. Okay, we're in the next clip. So I am taking this High Shine hair oil. You can use any hair oil, and I'm going to put the oil at the tip of my fingers just so that when I do separate these curls, they're not super frizzy when I'm done. And you're just going to separate them like where they want to naturally separate, and make sure you separate them as much as possible. So I tried to separate the curls as much as possible. I could have separated them more, but this was my first time, so if I could do it again, I would separate them more. But y'all, this was like a super easy hairstyle, easy to apply and easy to kind of style. I would say overall it took me 1 hour and 30 minutes to do, and I had a lot of sit time. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. All I did was just pull the curls apart as much as possible without creating too much frizz, and then I kind of like fluffed it like this and kind of just picked it out a little bit so it can be bigger, like so. I'm feeling like real curly soon. I'm really not used to my curls being like this either, so this is gonna take some getting used to. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, join the B.O.M B Squad because we are the realest squad on the internet. Also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box below. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.